Hello guys, welcome back again to my video, and I'm gonna be posting this to TikTok, to IG, to FB, I'm not sure, to YouTube, I'm not sure even, and this is Tago-Tagoan by Moira De La Torre, Halfway Point, ito nakalagay dito, lyric video siya, and yung friend ko kasi nung grade 6 ako, is commented to my IG post yung if you mapapansin nyo yung green t-shirt, ako yon, tas na English pa ka dun. So yes, eto na yung tawag nito, ang tawag dun sa basta, andito na ako, kantahin ko na si Tago-Tagoan by Moira De La Torre. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this from FB, YouTube, TikTok, IG.